Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today video I'm gonna show you how to make kebab. Pork kebab. In Indonesia we call it Sate Babi. This is very traditional. I'm talking about the sauce itself. Satay is well known in Southeast Asia, but the sauce itself is very authentic where I come from. So I'm gonna show you what we have here and then how we're gonna prepare it. Let me show you what we have. First of all, we got chili, lime leaf, palm sugar, coriander, garlic, and shrimp paste. I don't know if you're familiar with this. It stinks, but it's gonna taste good. I guarantee you that. We got coconut milk, we got tamarind concentrate, salt, got black peppers, white peppers, turmeric powder. If you can get the fresh one, it'd be great. And this is optional. Some people does not like MSG, but I mean, I put some in there. It's just not gonna hurt. So the main ingredient is this one right here. We have pork picnic. This one has the skin on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the skin off first, and we have to boil the skin. Just make sure it's tender before mix it with the rest of the meat and then put the sauce. Because if you just grill it itself right now with the skin on, it's very hard to cook and then very chewy. So let's just get started. Okay, we got the pork skin boiling here. So like I said, we have to cook this one. Put salt in the water first. So this is how you find out if this meat ready. So you use the one of the stick, stab it. If the stick go through very easy, that's mean the meat very tender. And we just take it out, shock it in the ice water. Alright, we slice this first, and then after that we cut it to cube size. Make sure that's just a perfect size. Maybe one kebab we put like 4 to 5 pieces. After that, the skin part cool down. We're gonna cut it the same size as this one, and we're gonna grind the spice. We add the coconut milk to it and put it on the stick, and we grill it. So it's very simple. Alright, this is the skin part. Take it out from this pot, shock it in the cold water. Also, we're going to slice it cube size. Just mix it together. Okay, after we grind all the spice together, we use the coconut milk to put it in the blender. Just make sure it's not too dry, and we still have some left right here. We're just gonna add this one into the meat. Go. Just mix it up. Oh guys, this smells so good. I think I need a little bit more of this coconut milk in here. Just pour it. Not too much. There you go. Like I said, the reason why we put coconut milk to help the sauce spread on the meat better. There you go. As you can see, you know, pretty much like all the meat coated by the sauce. And we put it on the steak. Let's do one. Probably 4. And we put the one with the fat and the skin on top. There you go. There you have it. Look at that, guys. We got that much and some right there, and we still have some left that to put on the steak. So, all right, let's go outside to check on the grill. All right, this is what I have, but you know, I know it's not the most expensive one, but I like it. I know that they discontinued making this grill, but they are good. Alright, I'll put some aluminum foil right in the middle over here. The reason why I do that is just to protect the part of the kebab stick so it won't burn. There you go, let's start on that one. Alright, we got some of this ready. Some of them caught on fire because of the fat on the skin. It's literally triggering the flame. This thing is so hot. And that's the second one right here. And we got some ready. So that is step by step how we make pork kebab Balinese style. So if you want to try it, good luck. You have any question, comment down below. If you like the video, please subscribe. And there's the link down below. Please check them out. There's an affiliate link. It does help me out for the future video. And I don't know what you're gonna do, but I'm starving. I'm gonna eat. Happy grilling, guys.